How to download Adobe Acrobat Reader application on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Adobe Acrobat Reader application on your PC or browser. So first thing, what I want you to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside here, just click search in for this following, that is Adobe Acrobat download, and you will see the first official link from the adobe.com itself. So simply click on it. Once you click on it, you can download it from here. Just click on this download button over here and follow the on-screen instruction. And as you can see, the download menu pops up. Simply click on start downloading and it will be successfully downloaded based on your internet speed. And you can just run the setup file from your PC or laptop just like this to successfully install the Reader Acrobat on your device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.